Wait, you're using a Wealthsimple checking account and you're trusting your hard-earned money to a company that isn't a bank? Are you sure your cash is actually safe? It's a really important question, and it gets to the heart of something many Canadians ask when they look beyond the traditional big banks. The peace of mind you get from the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, or CDIC, is huge. It's what protects your deposits, up to a limit, in the extremely unlikely event that a financial institution fails. So, let's address the big question: is the money in your Wealthsimple checking account CDIC protected? The short answer is yes, it is, but the how is where things get interesting, and frankly, a lot better than a traditional bank. Here's the deal: Wealthsimple itself is not a CDIC member institution, it's a financial technology company. But to offer you that crucial protection, they've partnered with a number of CDIC member, federally regulated Canadian financial institutions. When you deposit money into your Wealthsimple checking account, that money is held in trust by these partner banks. Think of Wealthsimple as the manager of your money, and the partner banks as the secure vaults holding it. Now, this trust arrangement allows Wealthsimple to do something really powerful that traditional banks can't: stack the coverage. You see, for most single accounts at a traditional bank, the CDIC protection limit is $100,000. If that bank fails, you're covered for up to that amount. But because Wealthsimple spreads your eligible deposit across multiple CDIC member institutions, up to 10 of them, they can dramatically increase your total protection. This means your eligible deposits in the Wealthsimple checking account are covered up to a combined limit of 1 million Canadian dollars. That's 10 times the standard coverage you get with a single bank account. So, the safety of your money is actually layered in two key ways. First, your money is held securely at multiple, well-regulated Canadian banks. And second, the official CDIC protection applies to up to $1 million of your balance, securing your deposits against the failure of any of those partner banks. For you, the user, this process is totally seamless. You don't have to do a thing. The $1 million in coverage is free and automatic, giving you superior peace of mind without any extra paperwork. It's a smart setup that leverages the government-backed security of the CDIC while offering the high-tech, low-fee experience of a modern financial company. So next time you wonder if your money is safe in that high-interest, no-fee checking account, remember the trust framework. Not only is your money protected, it's protected up to a level that most traditional banks simply can't offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.